Hanover Street.
И сега ще видите къде живеят моите пасажери. Те не живеят в именията, брат. Те живеят в апартаментите. Защото и те са бедни, хората нямат. А кой притежаваше апартаментите? Ами инвеститорският тръст, Realty Income компанията. И горе в десния ъгъл ще ви изкочи, нали, поп-ъп иконка, да може да цъкнете да видите видеото. Ето я, жената се облекла тук с бюст тениска. Подкрепят отбора. Нали, днеска ще има игра. Другото приложение ни даде райт, ама ние го деклайнваме, защото вече си имаме човек. Ето го дойде нашия клиент. Good. How you doing?
Head to your drop-off at Buffalo Niagara International Airport BUF.
The other app is giving me a ride, but I already picked you.
Oh.
Yeah. I was thinking today I gotta go to the Bills game.
Yeah.
No rides today.
Please use your
No
seatbelt
rides, huh?
for
No
your
rides
safety.
to the stadium.
Interesting.
Yeah. And predicted business 3:25. Now it's 2 o'clock. Maybe I started too early.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe on the way home after the game.
And tomorrow I leave.
Where you go?
Virginia Beach.
Oh, nice.
Norfolk, Richmond. I make
Yeah.
a YouTube videos for the top 100
Just
biggest
ahead, turn
cities.
left on Pleasant
Cool.
View Drive.
For all the U.S.?
Yeah.
Nice.
I want to show my community, the peoples from my country,
Yeah.
the America. Because some peoples they not gonna come here to
Right.
see. You gotta have visa and stuff.
What country are you from?
I'm from Bulgaria.
Turn left on Pleasant View Drive.
I'm actually going to Europe right now.
Where?
I'm starting in London, and I'm backpacking. London, France, Spain.
London's
Italy.
amazing. Spain's so humid.
I know. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah. Also the London, you gotta be prepared for a raining storms.
Rainstorms. I
Yeah.
know. I probably rain here.
Yeah, plenty of storms are there. And a couple of months ago, I was talking with one lady, and I tell her I'm in America. Some people go for a seasoning jobs in England to collect strawberries, and she asked me, "Do you collect strawberries?" But I tell her, "No, I'm not in England. I'm in America."
Cool.
Actually, my best friends used to live in London.
They lived in London. Did they like it?
Yeah, they like it, but they moved back because, like, I think maybe they save enough money for apartment or something like that, and they were having their first kids, so they
Oh, they're
go.
having kids.
Yeah, they go back.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Oh, and now you gotta travel at least 18 to 20 hours.
Yeah. That's well,
You didn't sleep last night?
no, I did.
Oh, you shouldn't.
I know.
Yeah.
Fix it.
Yeah, I do this all the time when
Yeah.
I travel to Bulgaria. I don't sleep the day before, and when we land on JFK or Chicago to the next airplane, I fall asleep 1-2 hours later, and I fly the whole ocean sleeping.
That's good.
Yeah, it's a lot of time, like maybe 10 to 12 hours. It depends where you're flying to.
Yeah, I believe it's only like 8 or 9 to London from New York.
Oh, from New York?
I
Yeah,
think,
probably.
Yeah, it's not from Chicago. It's probably longer. Yeah.
Yeah. How much is the ticket though? 1200?
Round trip, yeah, around 12.
Okay.
If you book it, I got it for around like 1,000 or 1,100, I think. But I booked it a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
If you do it in advance, it's cheaper.
I didn't know that. But
In a
you gotta
quarter mile,
plan your
turn right on
vacations to
Transit
do
Road.
it in advance.
Yeah, it's hard. How often do you go home?
How often?
Yeah.
I go once for 5 years.
Once or
Yeah, I have no family there. Actually,
Oh.
only my grandma and my brother is there.
Okay.
And my brothers, if he
Turn
wasn't
right on
married
Transit
1 year
Road,
before we
then
came
turn left
here,
on Genesee
yeah,
I
Street.
was just gonna have my grandmother. And after she passed away, she's struggling with hips surgery. They did to her like 2-3 hip surgery, and they have like something like bacteria which you can treat without an antibiotic and stuff like that. So her situation is bad. She's gonna pass maybe soon. Who knows?
okay. Sorry.
Yeah. So if she passed, it's gonna be only my brother in there.
Right.
Yeah. My other brother is in Cali, and my family is there with me here.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Do you have kids, wife, and children?
Turn
Dreams.
left on Genesee
Nice.
Street.
Yeah. 6 kids couldn't afford it on a $3 an hour. Yeah.
Yeah, I've never been to Europe, so I'm excited.
It's cool, man. You're gonna see a completely different world.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Most of the buildings there are apartments, huge ones. Maybe more than 5, 6, 7 floors. It depends where you go. I never been in London.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's completely different, and we have a bunch of mountains.
Mountains, yeah, the Dolomites.
Yeah, it's not here. It's too flat. That's one of the things
is.
which I don't like here.
It is.
In Colorado and Utah,
Yeah, it's better.
they have a couple of, but it's not the similar pictures like in Europe.
No, Europe is beautiful.
Yeah.
I can't wait for Italy. I really like Italy. I want to go to Italy. My grandma was born in Italy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she came over in 1938 or something, 1940.
Oh, so you are the third
Third
generation.
generation. Yeah, my grandma was first. So I'm excited to go to Italy. And, I mean, I'm excited for everywhere, right?
Yeah,
It's all gonna be
yeah.
great.
You're gonna see a completely different world.
I know. I went to South Africa
Important
2 years ago.
directions. In
Yeah.
a
And that
quarter
was
mile,
very
make
cool,
a
too.
slight right turn on
Completely-
Louise F.
Completely
Colway.
different world.
Yeah, in Africa, it's even different
more
than
yeah.
Europe.
I know.
Make a slight right turn on Louise F. Colway. Make a slight left turn to stay on Louise F. Colway. Just ahead, make a slight right turn to stay on Louise F. Colway using the right lane. Make a slight right turn to stay on Louise F. Colway. Just ahead, drop off Nicholas. Drop off Nicholas.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You take it easy. Have a nice day.
Great day.
Enjoy the vacation.
Well, thank you.
И видяхте, сега оставихме един човек тук до летището, направихме една конверсация и това харесвам на Uber работата, че може да си говориш с пациенти, с клиенти. Трънка ми е отворен, бе, брат. Направихме един хубав разговор, човека отива до Европа, до Европа. Значи той ще види нашия свят, къде се намираме ние. И това е работата за Uber като цяло. Много забавления, говориш с различни хора. За мен е забавление. И затова и аз карам и хора, и карам и travel vlog. Защото богатите имат няколко потока на доходи. Те не разчитат само на едно нещо. И затова и вие трябва да градите неща, колкото повече неща успеете да изградите в този живот, толкова по-добре ще ви бъде бъдещето.